Hello and welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. Today's episode, as you can see behind me, we are working on the 2002 Chevy S10 Xtreme. We're doing some cosmetic stuff to it today, and I really am excited about this. It's something I've been wanting to do for a long time. But before we get into it, and before you know what it is, you guys know the routine. Go ahead, hit that subscription button, notification bell, leave a comment, a thumbs up, all that stuff. It's super helpful. It's very greatly appreciated. Also, today's episode is brought to you by Oxido LED headlights. Take a look at this little clip. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxido LED lighting. And here is some after Oxido LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxido LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612 Motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Alright, so we're going to work on this thing today, and I've got something in this box. Well, I'm just going to show you because I'm too excited to wait, honestly. I've got everything ready to go. My boy Garrett is going to help me a little bit here. I'm using his stall in the shop today, and can't thank him enough because, well, sometimes the guy just can't do it himself. You actually probably need an extra set of hands, somebody to hold something, run some brainstorming ideas off of and that sort of thing. So that's what we got in store for us today. But in this box, ladies and gentlemen, you can see it's a bigger box. You know, I wonder. I'll give you 3 guesses as to what's in there, and some of you will probably get it right off the bat. Some of you might not, but take your guesses, boys. Leave them in the comments below. What do you think it is? Okay, time's up. This is what we got. It is... Dun, dun, dun. Oh, yeah, the box is open because it is a part that we had to have painted at the body shop. But, boys and girls, we have us a deluxe all-steel roll pan. God, that thing's gorgeous, isn't it? Here's a little clip of me picking it up at the body shop. Our boy Brad, who's also helping me with the 44, did that, so I'll insert that clip now. What do we got here, boys? Oh, good, it did come with the light. I was curious about that. Perfect. So, if you guys can't tell, got us a little roll pan action going on. Get rid of that bumper and that ugly back end and kind of get things back to the way we like to do it. Dropped this off last week and Brad was nice enough to get her done for me on the quick, so looks like we've got us a little project to do for the weekend. So we got her up on the hoist and up in the air just a little bit because, well, it's a lower vehicle and I want to be able to get under there and see what's going on. Alright, so probably not the easiest to see, but we got just a short little bumper bracket with 2 bolts on each side, 2 over there and 2 right up here. So we're gonna go ahead, spray those with a little penetrating lube, and then we're gonna crack those puppies loose.
Next level.
Bumper off. It's already looking better. So what we're gonna do now is tape up our edges here so we're not wrecking any of the paint here. And then we're going to get our marks on that pan there and get this bad boy mounted up.
Next level.
Alright, we got our holes drilled. Now we're going to insert some rib nuts and we're going to bolt that thing up. Alright, it is on and damn, it looks good, boys. Really can't argue at